Parry, not Parry, fam, blessings to you. It is a very chilly afternoon in Jamaica. I haven't checked in with you on this channel for a long time. Me and Dada did that today. Dada got just hold the phone. Dad say hello.
Hello everybody.
Yeah, me catch him now. He was busy the other day up and down doing some little work here and there. So me catch him them 2 days. Yeah, I'm kind of off a little now. So he might hold camera for me again. Long time I do nothing, he hold no camera for me. So look here. I'm going to cook start mackerel. I wanted to cook red peas soup, fam. But look here. It never had that work. So I'm going to cook some. I cook piece of breadfruit. You want dumpling? Depending on what I want dumpling. So I'm going to cook 2 dumplings. And I have a little piece of yellow yam and a sweet potato. I have all in this. I'm not going to hold for food. Because let me tell you something, family. These people in my household here, they waste a lot of food. And I say to them, willful waste makes woeful want. They waste so much food, so I'm just going to be counting. I don't want any dumpling. I'm going to make like 3 or 4 dumplings, 3 finger banana. I'm going to see what I cook. So I have my salt mackerel down in the so I soak in the water and I'm going to put on the pot. So I'll stick around, or I ask you to stick around with me. Oh, so I have a little flour here and a little cornmeal in there. How you make your flour, family? Tell me. Some people love more flour than cornmeal. But just like it even out where you have the little light color like you're going to make festival. I mean, these days you see, family, I never feel for certain things in a like dumpling. I more eat a fried dumpling as opposed to a boiled dumpling. These days, I don't know, I guess these things come as you age. You don't feel so? Because like what you tell me say sometimes you don't feel for this and you don't feel for that. Like your taste bud as you age, your taste bud not there anymore. You don't feel so? And this is still enough dumpling. Love waste food, man. Yeah. I never feel no dumpling and then sitting there again. I feel it comes with age, I feel so. But comment, Parry, comment below and tell me because I know something at Jamaica. I know some of my salt mackerel all left, but I can cover it up and so on. So. I'm going to take out the breadfruit, take one piece of breadfruit. Open a ripe, because show the local rain upon it a country. You know? Yeah. So, me get my flour together. Enough dumpling this, you know, Terence? This is a lot. God. Yeah, but me did look. I'm mixing another big something there, you know. And if I'm not there, I have to take it out and put it up for fry over. Then make it spoil. I can't afford. I don't want when no judgment come down for me because I waste food. So I put it in this man. So. Need it. Put it in. Take out the breadfruit and the yam and the toll. I don't think I cook a sweet potato. Okay. This is a lot of dumpling. Get some water and I kick off a boil because me, I'm going to want some more water. You know, so I boil the water, take through, me turn on the stove low. Take time, yeah, and boil out. It will boil out. Alright, so. Go and put in the dumpling your fam. Get some water in that can clear door. You don't have water in there, you don't have water in there. You can turn it on, water in there. Alright. One thing I like with a kettle dough family, this is the most expensive kettle that I've bought. Most expensive one. And I find say this, it look like me have to tighten it. Yeah, yeah, if it's stand up. One time. Most expensive kettle me have. You can put in the yellow yam. And then after I put in the breadfruit, because the breadfruit kind of like, I don't know if I show the power, it's not hard for cook. I go and feed. Yeah, no.
Yellow.
You ready? You ready? No, let's do this few part there with me up. Put on the part one. Just wash them and carry them coming. Oh. Not that, no. Oh, yeah, okay, now I will touch something. What was this?
Bad breed, yeah.
Now they put the red water, the scotch water upon the tin around. Alright. Bad breed yam family are going like that. God, when you go in the Lord have mercy. Like we see how it will fear out. Boy. Normally it's supposed to pass on land lady. So me I tell you no family son if you pray over wanna eat. You see when dad cut here me pretty and nice, you know. Yeah. Oh, so dad have peel breadfruit so fam so. Him definitely have to cook with me today. That's how that was set up so. Indeed.
Say good.
That's how that was set up so like rain I go fall fam. You have to put in the you should have put in the banana them first, because then that's off, you know. Yeah, yeah?
Yeah, man, you can put it in first.
So catch some water. And you go and peel the banana. I go and peel the banana because them not so soft. And put in the breadfruit like that, breadfruit eat the breadfruit. Then time I hear banana them not so soft, you know, get time get cool. And then take long to full on. From now till February, you know, I get no banana with so look, you know. You know, slim and thin and tough. Yeah. So over here, so I'm going to put in some more water, but it look like it look ugly color for the yam. I'm going to squeeze some lime juice. Yeah. So it kind of thin there. So I don't really cook my food to make it a boil up harder and this in a family still. This a woman like the, you know, and I cook. But comment and tell me when you're cooking, you have your food pot boiling under this high fire. I don't really cook them really, you know. But I eat that yam then today. You can see a piece of lime right there, so yeah. Okay. So me depend the other end of the camera right now, you know, fam. So it's safe to say that you know peel more banana?
No.
Yeah, good. So me I make them the cook a little more. Half master pot, I make them go and cook. Me turn it up a little bit more, cause put in more food in there and drop the temperature. So I put in the breadfruit them last. Me I make the something there cook a little more, and then I go. I can something to switch around and then we put the salt mackerel for go boil off, right?
Yeah.
So I already get that breadfruit here from country and see that peel that and that leave. If I go use it quick in a turn to see it and right there, so I have a look, is it?
See.
Yeah, kind of look like it did through the water. And right there, so I did some right there first, so the something did run.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take out this stick. You see, it's family, you see, as simple as you see it. First thing on a breadfruit time now to all that. And if you see them with, because breadfruit salad Jamaica, you can get half and quarter, you know. You know? Because when breadfruit time, you're easy. Kind of people got hunger by breadfruit. If you go, say you want to make a little soup and you go to the corner stall and you see them, first thing you know, see a breadfruit big so. If you then cut it and sell you. But if you see this, one breadfruit this size and they have this about like a quarter. And if you don't mind chat, they ask you, I'll $300 feed. Allow me to tell you? Yeah. Some little teeny one with them I ask for so. I put it back in my bag, put it in my fridge. And I try to cook some soup by now and the week for out. Hopefully it no something there, it no thing there. So I salt mackerel now. I go get it in the something the water soak off and I wash it off. So I get it scald off here right now. 2 pounds, you know. I get 3 mackerel. But mackerel clean and nice. That go in a pot because I sort them out in the lime water from when. And the saltpeter make them red. Me somebody talk about red food color. And from we are lick up it, we have them mackerel are red. In a lighter ends. Yeah. Mackerel always red. And the saltpeter. The saltpeter something kind of pinky. Yeah. So. I go wash it off. I soak it so long in the lime water. So I want 2 or 3 lime. So big guy will put it in. I go wash it off now. So I don't like the white one then. I like them at all. From me see white mackerel, I not like it. I don't want it. Prefer this one. I have more flavor. And this are the saltpeter. If they need no saltpeter, look them wouldn't attack. But of course, I don't think it's red food color enough from a long time. Recently I see them come up with the white one then. I like them. You see banana them out in tough fam. So that I put in the brush now. You turn good boy today. Alright, you Christmas.
You always be good boy.
I put up more water in this. Out of the kettle. So you all must have all these of your boiling water. You don't want to put cold water here so no. You know? So I eat that. Yeah. But I got finish cook. Now I did salt it already. Mackerel over here, so may I leave it for scald off. I think I just scald it off one time. So Parry, right now this is me, you know. I got this right here, so I go pick up this mackerel. I put some of them bone here. So I pick up mackerel and but that's something they name and cut up seasoning, so that not depend on one there. So I cut up this, you know, so you not get rid of all that bone there. So and I'm not throw the mackerel head in, but comment and tell me if you not throw everybody to their own order. You get to me I say, right? Most of the bone them I put them in there. Because a woman like the bone. You eat the bone, do?
Sometimes.
Sometimes you eat the bone. Put it in there. My mother put it in there. Not that everything my mama do, but I don't mind the bone. I'm a woman. And me want a piece. I don't want no dumpling. I really want. Because honestly, these days, can't deal with the dumpling story. I finish pick up this Parry. And then I come back. I have some little part around here, so like all the white part, I scrape it off, yeah. So I go do that and come back. Even though I like the bone, I don't put all like bone in there. I do this and now and then I go wash off me and I wash out the sink here. Proper wash out. Wash out this. And now with some dish soap and dishwashing. I know this mackerel did it originally.
Yeah.
Yeah. And did kitchen. I'm not joking with the mackerel sitting here. And then go for a wrap. And I pour some water down there and I'm done. It's about to go like a waffle tomato for me. You know, so I can't go no market all. I got that. Them they all just out sitting in the market. No, so I'm not going to have them the place. I don't even know how to act like a strike down there. I not take it on. No, sir, pay drought. Maybe next year I go to rain. Not true. Got a work in favor. Every little thing we do. This one some bleach, but now I have bleach pan this, but this one the direct straight bleach pan now. We're going with over here, so it have one up with feet cells. Oh yeah, yeah. So I'll throw something down in there. So I go cut out the little waffle season that I have now, pan, and put the mackerel to fix up, and that's the lot dish out that dinner and game and there about and such that like. So I just cut up my little season in this here, you know, fam, because look here. See that salt mackerel thing, I don't really want to go too much further with it for mess up no whole heap of this and that. That's what I always do, you know. So I cut up some. I don't have no scallion farm. Some little fluxy tomato, boy, I tell you no. And if you don't even know how much pay for them tomato here. My dad go on the road this morning, he said today what Tuesday. And him not see none. Unless I use me have, you know. You see it? I tell you, man. It's a national disgrace to see sitting there where people are get a market. I don't even know what them are. They might come out every day and did wash. I just go on, you know, I don't make nothing bother me, you know, because I'll try. You see it there? So I see it? See it? Yeah. No good. Young sitting them. Force them, pick them off before they come to maturity and force them. I got me some onions. I got onions. And I can ramp with a knife, yeah. And if anybody no turns from me get him, I never sharpening. Might want like a sharpening now still, but We really did doubt it and when me get it, I said it light like our.
Yeah.
Yeah, it want sharpen up. And the other one, maybe the other one want sharpen too. I think, I'm not sure if this one goes dull faster than the other one, but can sharpen them for me tomorrow. God's will or one of them there, but this definitely, you know, so it now go through the onion good. Yeah, it's a piece of garlic left there, me go. Do suck that pepper upon it, you know, fam. My pepper, they look workless. Me I tell Dad to search your next one, he might talk about no workless, but then terrains. Me ask you a question, how you eat the salt mackerel without the pepper? But the pepper is supposed to sort out the sinus, you know. Eh?
No.
I mean, you're sad up with the pan, you're no sinus. Because I young pepper is not good. Lord Jesus God, no sir, I can't eat this. Because no pepper, these are not pepper terrins. I not eat none of this. I put some of my bird pepper and powder in it. This is not no pepper. So, okay, Paris, me. All the onion I have in there, so that we do a little workless tomato then, but that can too. There, like maybe cook overcooking mackerel. I like when the mackerel come out so fine, you know. You know? Yeah.
Too much.
This too much? And you did eat this something in idea, you know? Alright, so me take out a little piece of workless pepper. You can't now do nothing but you will find the fall. So Parry, so fam. I have to reach out to my family and my family. So it go. I got dish out something for now, but oh, breadfruit night. Breadfruit. I break up that, but guess what? Now I'm gonna get your belly all a boy. So telling about the banana them. Banana them not so sad, but guess what? We not complaining, you know. Cause we have some teeth here in our mouth, right, D? Oh, you know. Parry me I go finish this out and show it because Dad him can't manage the spice, the vinegar and pepper in the mackerel. So next clip. So this is it now, fam. Eat with your eyes. I don't know what Dad I go eat for us. So thanks for the love, thanks for the support. Make go eat something little later. Maybe me leave it for my breakfast. Because me did eat some on the live on the cooking channel. I did have some saltfish and some fried plantain. So I don't want to push my stomach. Maybe me eat a piece of the breadfruit and a banana later. So this is it. That no that is a una eat with the eyes and that I eat with the mouth for una. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support. And look here, me have something to tell you. That I do him last look around up with me now because Sylvita pick him up Christmas Eve. So I be nice and everything. Sylvita gonna pick him up, so we get the best time now. We get all the cooking from him and all of them something. So in the next cooking video them, him gonna be there in a Sylvita kitchen. Him go there. Thanks for watching. Thank you all so much. Happy holidays coming up.